Now I start to mix the garden soils with dry charcoal. Mix together well. I prepare the bags. This is the plastic bag. Prepare the soil mix into the bags. Watering. Here is the winter melon seed. It's a good quality seed. Now I start to germinate the winter melon seed into the bags. I drop one seed for each bag. Cover the soils slightly and watering again. Keep in one place. I start to prepare the soils. Garden soils 70%, dry charcoal 30%, dry cow dung powder 15%. Mix together well that I can grow the winter melon. This is the place that I arrange and prepare for my winter melon plant. No digging. Now I cut the tree branch. Prepare the trellis for my winter melon plant. The old of my winter melon is 30 days, starting from sowing. The winter melon plant have the tendril and climb up to the tree branch and continue climb up to the trellis. Here is the tendril of the winter melon plant. I start to prepare the trellis. This trellis is 2 meters and 50 height. I remove out all the grass near the winter melon plant, digging soil gently around the winter melon area. I add the dry cow dung powder to the plant, watering them well. Watering is very important, 2 times a day, morning and afternoon. Now my winter melon start to set the flower and continue to climb up to the top trellis, the tendril. The old of winter melon is 45 days. Set the flower and some small fruit come out, but some fruit are not developed well and some fruit develop well. The old of the winter melon is 50 days. So now I start to harvest the first fruit, second fruit and third fruit for cooking today. Thank you for watching my gardening video. Please subscribe. Turn on bell notification. Like, share and comment in the comment box below. If you have any question related to winter melon growing from seed, I am happy to reply to you for more detail. Bye. See you next video upload.